Hey, what's up guys? Today is our second tutorial. Today we're gonna discuss how to download and install IDE, then how to create a Kotlin project in IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Then we talk about what is a function and what is the signature of a function in Kotlin. Then we talk main function and signature of main function too. Then we talk about variables, how to create them and use them. And then we make a simple hello world program in Kotlin. So first of all, we need to download a IDE to dive into the programming language. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to visit Jetbrains website. Then click on IDE. Go for IntelliJ IDE. Then it will show you download button. Click on it. Here is the download button. Click on it. Now it will show you two versions. First is Ultimate, second one is Community. Go for Community and download it. I already downloaded and installed it. In the previous version of IDE, you can plug in Kotlin in IDE. And if we talk about Android Studio, in newer version 3.0, Kotlin is inbuilt. But in lower version, you can plug in Kotlin with IDE. After installation, open IntelliJ IDE. Here is my IntelliJ IDE. Just click on it. It will take few seconds to open. Then click on create new project. Then click on Java and Kotlin Java. But one more thing is, to use Kotlin you must have JDK installed in your system. If you are not installed JDK in your system, then you will get an error here. And you will also get a link to download JDK. And if you are already have JDK installed in your system, just browse your JDK from here. Click here and you will get all your drives here, and just browse JDK. You can also download and install JDK separately from Oracle website. I already provided the JDK download link in description box. Now click on next. Then give the project name and project path. I'll give the project name Hello World. You can also provide the desired location in project path from here. Then click on finish. This is our project Hello World. Just double click on it to expand the project. This is our source folder. Just click on the right side of the mousepad. You will get option new, then Kotlin file. Give the file name Hello World. Then click OK. It will create the source file in source folder. This is our Kotlin file Hello World with extension .kt. Now first we talk about variables in Kotlin. In programming, a variable is a value that can change depending on condition or information passed to the program. So in Kotlin, there is two type of variable. Number one, read-only variable. Number two, mutable variable. In Kotlin, you can declare read-only variable using val keyword. These variables are constant in nature, which means these variables are final. Once you assign a value to the variable, then we can't change its value. So in Java, we can define constant variable like this. We use final keyword, then data type, then variable name, and assign a value. This is final. It means we cannot change its value in entire program. But in Kotlin, we define variable like this. We use val keyword, then variable name, then semicolon, then space, then data type. But make sure data type start with capital character. Then we assign a value. This is a read-only variable in Kotlin. We cannot able to change value of a in entire program. That's why we call it as read-only variable. We can define mutable variable in many forms in Kotlin. Like this, we use val keyword, then variable name, then colon, then data type, and then assigning the value. This is called immediate assignment. Second one is infer type. In infer type, we use val keyword, then variable name, and then assign a value. This is called import type. In third type, type required when no initializer is provided, like this. We use val keyword, then variable name, then colon, then data type. Now we talk about mutable variable. To declare mutable variable, we use var keyword, then name of variable, then colon, then space, then data type. This is called mutable variable. We can change its value when required. Mutable variable can be defined using immediate assignment or using import type, like this. We use var keyword, then variable name, then colon, then data type, and then assign a value. This is called immediate assignment. And in import type, we can use var keyword, then variable name, then assign a value. This is import type. Now, next topic is function. So what is a function? A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Function provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. You have already seen various functions like printf and main. These are called built-in function provided by the language itself. But we can write our own function as well. And this tutorial will teach you how to write and use those functions. Good thing about function is that they are famous with several names. Different programming languages name them differently. For example, function, method, subroutines, procedure, etc. If you come across any such terminology, then just imagine about the same concept, which we are going to discuss in this tutorial. In Kotlin, we can declare a function using fun keyword. This is our first function in Kotlin. We use fun keyword, then name of the function, then parameters. Then colon, then return type, then body. This is the signature of a function in Kotlin. Now next topic is main function. What is main? A program shall contain a global function named main, which is the designated start of the program. So in Kotlin, we define a main function like this. We use fun keyword, then main, then parameter. In parameter, we provide an array of string like this. And the body of the function. This is our main function in Kotlin. Now we learned how to define variable in Kotlin, what is function and how to create them and use them, and we also learned the signature of main function. Now it's time to make a simple hello world program. So firstly we create a main function using fun keyword. Then parameters, then body. Then we use println method to print hello world on console. Println is built-in function in Kotlin. Then we click on here and run hello world.kt. Here is our output, hello world. Semicolon is optional here. If we remove and run the code, it will compile and execute happily, like this. We just remove the semicolon and then run. You can see code is working fine. Thank you for watching us. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.